How you doing today? I want to show you today a magic trick that you can show your mom and dad. Bring your $1 bill, just fold it from the top like that, and you're gonna show them how you're gonna poke a hole and get it back to normal. All right, like this. Look how we're poking a hole. We're cutting the $1 bill. We're cutting it. All right, and let's see. It's back to normal. Let me show you how we do it. Look at the trick. The trick is we have two forks, not one. We put one in the back, one in the front, and we protrude this one back like that, and we move it. You see the trick? You see it? You see that? And mom and dad will be tricked that, oh, why are you cutting the $1 bill? And there you go. It's all back to normal. Cool, huh? Let me show you another trick now. Get a $20 bill, ask mom and dad. Don't forget to ask mom and dad's permission. And then you try to align the eyes like that. Show the eyes like that, align it. And then the other side as well. You align the eyes like that. Make two lines. And then when you're done, open it like this and look. Focus with me. Look how he's frowning, look he's smiling. Frowning, smiling. Can you see that, kids? Frowning, smiling. You see how we can trick mom and dad to show them that, look, he's frowning and smiling. This is frowning and this is smiling. Cool, huh? All right, I'll see you next time, guys.